chaos. Chaos. It means a confused, disorderly state of affairs. When there's lawlessness, people running all over the place, creating problems and disturbances. Pandemonium. The idiomatic expression is a mare's nest, a free-for-all. These are different words and phrases that you can use for chaos. Now, let's look at how to use the word in a sentence. There was chaos in the hospital due to the sudden rush of COVID-19 patients. There was chaos after passengers claimed that they had not been made aware of the mandatory institutional quarantine. The old age home was a mare's nest with filth all over and no one to clean up. There was pandemonium in the classroom with the children jumping around and screaming. Opening up the alcohol shops led to a free-for-all with people violating the rules of social distancing. So here we learned how to use 4 words: chaos, mare's nest, pandemonium, and free-for-all.